It's an overall empowerment to yourself mentally to know, I did this right. I did the best that I could, and I know that we're happy and we're working together as a team.
I am Cari Garcia. I'm General Manager for Siftex Equipment Company. Siftex is a manufacturing and reselling company for flexible connectors. All our products, you can see them on all the major food and pharmaceutical industries. As soon as I got promoted to General Manager, I was looking for all the resources available to help me make Siftex the best company possible. We did a strategic meeting when we discussed all the plans and the vision that I have for this company, and then CONNSTEP aligned with our planning and determine what were the fields that CONNSTEP could help us improve. About 80% of our staff is under 27-year-old, and we saw the need to train them as they got promoted as supervisors. And that has been crucial to do their jobs on a daily basis.
The CONNSTEP Supervisor Boot Camp has definitely taught me to be the supervisor that my team needs me to be the leader that they expect me to be.
Once I took these classes, it really outlined how to be a leader, how to gain respect from the employees, and it actually gave me the morale boost of being able to delegate jobs to people and say what I need to say while getting the point across in a positive light.
I feel prepared, I feel knowledgeable, I feel like I know what I'm doing, not like before where I was just trying to figure out how to coach all these people, how to handle the team. Now it's like, okay, now we are a team.
The biggest impact that CONNSTEP has made with Siftex has been with our lean manufacturing event, where we are indoctrinating all of those lessons, all of the organization and efficiency within lean to our company.
We've been analyzing our everyday processes, which has been really nice and kind of eye-opening for us because we found a lot of things that we can improve and cut time on.
We started this journey 3 years ago, and the changes that you can see in our company from where we began to where we are fantastic.
It has greatly increased our efficiency as well as everyone's kind of emotional state on the work itself.
Through CBIA and through CONNSTEP, I found my best ally. They will provide you with an extremely personalized and customized service to achieve those goals. And that is the magic that has happened to Siftex.